sponsor abakwenda timunaro cyashaka bakono bisuktyaro ayabena yimalirira so yateka soja nafuteka musente kimwe cyone ndatumya yatwara mwene zobere yachachira kwa mtu atwarachi ndivyo yatwara kata tushemerire kandi byo mwana kimanya akabara tibita tsana na yete yibanga osbon wenyine akachitwakare tsoto
zoba wo singuza usakubagarukeho umwako kwiza yakatwa batwachira unyaruguru nage unyaruguru sakumakahi unyaruguru chokolate nezana kiyagwire drone tunga mu wanu yagira ngade tatulaga ine mukishandaza kulanda zo bakazore
apira obunkeke buberamu ndo obunkeke bubadde mu gemu ya lero kubanga misado gifunye kwa staff banga perika abatebika sabagana okuteeba ate eri kwetwana obunkeke bwamaanyi nnyo wadde nkoze ekisinga okwebatimya ng'okuwangula naye obunkeke bubaddewo nnyo bastrikers abadde otuwa goals kubanga first half misado gifunye naye osinga bayanguliriza okututeebera twandifunye obunkeke nera kigoolo ezeletimu ati sofenga babeera eno mu magoolo bani bapaka banye ku bunkeke
tubasima abokwija kureba omupiira ogutwire amashanyarazi mingi ab'obuhanguzi mwe barabarubirizi na nabibana mwe babutakisappointinga tonga abahagizi twafuna omupiira gubonire munonga egemu was entertaining.
I want to thank our fans for coming for this game. As the Rubirizi team, we came knowing that we are going to win this game because our team is a good team. Like since from the beginning, as it has been, we've been coming, winning. So even in the finals, we had to win. So I'm just thanking all of our people for coming.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Itwe ngabarubirizi no kusemerwa mu kwinji munonga oya ngutayika buhanguzi bw'umuntu ukubanza umucyo cyankore kandi twinena no kusima rahanga bugira ngo atarabizemu tayika futare chikopechi tigambo
abantu abambabona ni manyama kuraba we nani bashaka kumurije next edition mutandikana this week team zanyu muzikwatira